Hi, this is a video to try to show the light modification which I've put in the front of my Model 3. You'll see in a minute I've got the automatic, not powered, but automatic air pressure struts fitted, which when you open the frunk it automatically opens. So let's do that now. There we go. And to say it's nice and bright, bit of an understatement really. And this is what I used. This is off Amazon, about 20 quid. INX station neon flexible light strip 5 meters. Obviously that's brand new. This is the offcut of what I used. So if I just peel this back, you can hopefully see it's wired in there. So what you do is just pull that section out there, and what you see is, sorry, field to prepare. What you'll see is this here, this wire here goes to this, which is your light, and in there you've got an orange wire, sort of like a light bluey wire, might be light blue, I'm pretty much colourblind, and a purple wire, that's definitely purple. And what I did is, with this flexible strip light, I cut it off there and stripped this back, which then exposes this, and you got the positive and negative wires. And then use these crimps, which are quite easy to do. And you crimp one to one, one to the other. I can't remember which is which for a minute, but I can find out for you. So yeah, basically crimp those together. Use pliers, crimp those two. I'd crimp this first, crimp those two, then crimp in those. It automatically does it for you. There's no stripping of wires needed. The only thing you need to strip is this here. And then what you should do first really is feed it all the way around. So that's all I've done. Let's feed it in there. Got it facing down. It's not the best camera work, admittedly, but it makes hell of a difference. I'm going to do something similar in the boot, and yeah, I'll post that. But yeah, that's about 20 quid, and these I think were maybe 5 quid for a load of them, maybe £8, I'm not too sure. And so with that, all you do is to put it back, then just sort of make sure the wires are going somewhere nice, which is hard to do with one hand, and then just line it up and click it back in, which you can't do with one hand, but it's easy enough to do with two, believe me. I'm going to stop trying doing it now. But yeah, any questions, just let me know. Makes one hell of a difference, and looks pretty cool on night really when you open it up. If I stand back here, you can see how bright it is. And yeah, that's about it. Cheers. Bye bye.